How to fix an unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. Now I'm going to be showing you troubleshooting steps and how we can rectify this issue. First things first is we need to uninstall your Roblox player or Roblox properly. To do so, just go to your Windows icon right here, type run, hit enter, and then type in percent local app data percent, then hit enter. From here, you'll just have to find your Roblox folder and then delete this folder. Once you deleted this folder, it will go automatically to your recycle bin or under your temp. So the next thing you need to do is go back to your Windows icon again, then type run. Now what you need to type in is going to be percent temp percent. Hit enter. Now once you deleted your Roblox folder from your local app data, it will automatically show right here. So you'll just have to find Roblox folder from here and then delete it. Now moving on, the third step is deleting the Roblox or Roblox player directly to your apps and features. Just go back to your Windows icon, then type in apps and features, hit enter, scroll down, find your Roblox software, and then you'll have to delete the three of these files right here. You have to uninstall these three. Now once everything is uninstalled, all you have to do is to re-download and install the Roblox again. So simply pull up your preferred browser and go to Roblox official website. Now from here, if you haven't logged into your account, you don't need to log in. You'll just need to download the Roblox software first. And once you downloaded it and installed, go back to your desktop. And what you need to do from here is right click on the Roblox player shortcut icon, go to properties, and then go to compatibility. And then you need to make sure that this option right here, run this program as an administrator, is checked, and click apply and then OK. So that's how you troubleshoot an unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit.